we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a wonderful week. Well, I was just thinking of doing a special V-Day breakfast and revisiting all my recipes. My breakfast cannot start without my favorite coffee. And if you're like me and do not have a coffee machine, then this little gadget comes so handy and it's so convenient to use every single morning. Each time I have a delicious frothy coffee. And what a beautiful day to start. Here are some of my most favorite breakfast recipes. Let me know what you think I'm going to make for my V-Day. The first one is this beautiful granola tarts. These are in shape of these tartlets. I have two types of mold, but I'll be using this removable bottom mold as it's easier to take it out. But you can use any bowl or any tart mold. Even small little muffin tins are also perfect for this. Just make sure that you grease everything. I'm using some poha and jowar flakes. I have roasted it properly. And add all different types of nuts and seeds of your choice and toast them to your preference. You can do this process absolutely in the oven and at 180 degrees C for 10 minutes and keep stirring it. Mix jaggery and water in 1:4 ratio. Once the jaggery syrup comes to a consistency as shown, add all the dry mix of oats, poha, nuts and seeds. Transfer it into the lined or greased tins and make sure you press the sides properly. This will create a beautiful cup. I'm making a mixed berry compote. Strawberries and berries are in season and it's a perfect time to make a fresh berry compote and ditch all those packaged compotes and marmalades and jams because this tastes so delicious and it does not contain any sugar. And it is so easy to make. All that you have to do is take a pot of water and put all the berries and dates into it and leave it to simmer on a low-medium heat. Keep stirring in between till it comes into a mushy consistency. Adding chia seeds just increases the nutritional value, but this is absolutely optional. I'm making some sesame balls or laddus. It's a very simple recipe and I have shared it in detail. So essentially you have to make a mixture of milk and sesame seeds, toasted sesame seeds, and little bit of sugar or jaggery of your choice. Now it's time to plate. I'll demold these tartlets and fill it with plain vanilla yogurt. I'm topping this up with the berry shea compote. Do try this, it's very delicious. And I'm garnishing everything with nuts, seeds and some fresh strawberries. And on the sides I'm serving it with some orange wedges, fruits and sesame ball topped with rose petals and nuts. The whole thing looks so delicious, so presentable. You can serve it absolutely breakfast in bed concept. And I think this makes an ideal V-Day morning breakfast. What do you say? If you want to start your day on a healthy, sweet note on your V-Day, then this granola recipe is just for you. You can make it way ahead. Add all the nuts and seeds, oats. You can also add jowar flakes and toast it on a low-medium flame. Mix all the berries and dried fruits of your choice and coat everything in jaggery mixture. Transfer it on the plate or a tray. It should be lined with a silpat or a baking sheet. This makes a perfect snack as well as eat it with your favorite yogurt. I made some egg frittata. This is absolutely simple and easy to make. Along with this, I made some paneer poha cutlet or patties. I will leave the recipe for this in the description box. The twist to this was this pav bhaji masala that I added. It gave that aroma and kept people guessing what exactly is inside. That is so aromatic. If you have watched till here, then please consider subscribing to the channel, as I know many of you watch my videos but haven't subscribed it yet. Please do me this small little favor and subscribe to the channel. I am topping this egg frittata with a little bit of nutritional yeast, and this is how I serve the entire platter. I have an entire video on this. You can go ahead and watch it. I will leave it in the description box for you. We used to grow our salad leaves in our Gurgaon garden, and this recipe was one of our favorites, where we used loads of fresh lettuce from our garden, some cherry tomatoes, strawberries, steamed broccoli and some paneer, but if you like tofu, you can use some soft tofu as well. I served it with some eggs. This is a warm salad that we used to enjoy it on our winter mornings, and it's perfect if you're living in the north where it's still a little cold. The dressing is super simple. I took some olive oil, honey, salt and pepper, and some apple cider vinegar. This vinaigrette is super easy to make, and this entire salad is super simple to put together. Just to take the salad to the next level, I'm sprinkling some nutritional yeast on top. I'll also make this quick warm oats milk. This is made up of almonds, oats, a little bit of sugar and cardamom. And it was another perfect day to start. She enjoyed it with some strawberry syrup at the bottom. This was the fresh strawberry syrup that we added, and she thoroughly enjoyed her milk as well. What better way to start a day with a fluffy pancakes? And if it is gluten free, where you do not have to worry about stomach aches and pain, and still it tastes divine, then nothing like that. That's the best way to treat your loved ones, isn't it? This vanilla pancake is super simple to make, and it is a no fail recipe again. Just follow the instructions. Whip the egg whites in a clean, absolutely grease free bowl, and make sure that you fold the egg whites really gently in the mixture with a cut and fold method and in batches. These are my top tips for this fluffy pancake. It is so fluffy and melt in the mouth consistency that you will fall in love with this recipe. I'm serving it with some strawberry jam. The recipe I have already shared on my YouTube channel, so please consider watching that video for this delicious strawberry recipe. I have topped it with some fresh heavy cream, strawberry jam, a little bit of salted butter on side, and honey. My new favorite on the block for my savory mornings have been these diced vegetable Millet Chaat, or poha you can say. I use jowar flakes. You do not need to cook this. It is absolutely no cook recipe, and I think it is so perfect for a weekday, because if you want to stay lazy and cozy in bed for long, this is super easy to whip up in just few minutes. If you're like me and you are just kind of tired with oatmeals, then millets and makhanas are your best friends. And I have shared this recipe of Amaranth Porridge on my channel, which has been getting such a wonderful response from you all. I am amazed. So this is again a super simple recipe where I have cooked puffed amaranth and some foxnut, which has been grounded. Added a little bit of jaggery to it. That's absolutely optional, and top it up with your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, some toasted foxnut, chia seeds, and some strawberry syrup or jam. You can always make this porridge a night before and keep it in the fridge and serve it in the morning. Isn't it ideal? If you have enjoyed this video till here, then please consider subscribing to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It means the world to me. Your love, your support just keeps me motivated to make more videos like this. All the detailed videos will be left in the description box for you to enjoy. Go ahead, make these recipes and treat your loved one in the best way possible. Wishing you all a very happy Valentine. I'll see you in my next vlog. Until next time, see you. Bye-bye.